How can our prayer for the deceased help them? As a form of energy of our mind, prayer, directed in the right way, represents the union of our energies with God's, in the common endeavor to make His children grow and give the best of Himself. Through prayer we cooperate with God, the angelic world and the people in spirit of the spiritual world in this cosmic, ongoing effort that has as its goal the liberation of mankind. Because God regards man as co-creator, and because He invests everything of Himself for the welfare of others, the energy produced by our prayers is never ever be lost. However, it is better not to name a person in spirit even though he may be dear to us, but in the spiritual world he may live in a low and evil level, precisely because in the physical world so many people whom we thought were good, have hidden their sins, evilness, family betrayals and so on from us. Naming her attracts her to us and she can convey to us her own problems, discomforts, depressions and evil instincts and can even attract from her spiritual level, in our life, people similar to her, both evil angels and people in evil spirit. That's why the best thing is to live with God and let Him eventually find ways to heal and help our loved ones in the spiritual world. It is often explained of people in evil spirits who deceive people and psychics by appearing in the form of their loved ones. Our spiritual senses, if not open, we can easily be deceived, even by an evil person in spirit who comes to us with a false doing of good. The Bible itself speaks of Satan turning into an angel of light in order to deceive God's children. It is as if we are physically blind, anyone can deceive us or physically harm us,